Number 12, reasoning. What is a good estimate for 380% of 60? Explain. Well, 380% looks like a number that's pretty close to 400%. If I was going to round 380, I would round it to 400. 400 is a number that's easy to work with. 60, that's not such a bad number to work with. It ends in a 0. So I think I'm just going to leave that one. Let's set this up as a proportion. So if I have 400%, I'm going to write 400 over 100 because that's how I change a percent into a fraction. Notice here that I have the word of. Remember up above, I told you that when you see that word of, whatever they're talking about directly after that, that's your number that goes on the bottom. So a good estimate for 380% of 60 means that I would have 60 down here. And I would be trying to find this number. Now they're just wanting me to estimate. They aren't wanting me to actually find the answer. So I'm going to use my good brain and I'm going to say, well, when I look at these, I can see a relationship here with these numbers. I can see that my top number is about 4 times my bottom number. If I multiply 100 times 4, I would get 400. So if I do that here, for these to remain equal, remember whatever I do on one side of an equal sign, I have to do on the other. I can multiply by 4 over here. And if I don't know what 60 times 4 is, well, I've got this thing. 4 times 60 equals 240. So, what is a good estimate of 380% of 60? Well, I would say a good estimate would be 240. Because I rounded 380% to 400%. When I wrote 400% as an equivalent fraction, I found that the numerator was 4 times larger than the denominator. I multiplied 60 times 4.